FRC stock is taking a beating from $16.85 all the way to a low of $12.47, and it's still moving, folks. FRC is still moving. It's like Frankenstein, with the price now at $12.70 and going lower still. What can you do in order to make money off FRC? Well, this is no AUGX. AUGX was our call out yesterday, and it performed very well indeed. Take a look at the AUGX chart. AUGX chart went to $3.09 and then short squeezed just like we predicted. The stock went all the way to a high of $4.05. $3.81 was our profit target, and so this short squeeze was a juicy one indeed. Imagine waking up to 25% profits in your bank account. Make sure to have your sell order set. If you didn't set a sell order, you probably missed this phenomenally juicy move on AUGX. So first you have to have the shares, and then you have to have the sell limit orders for your shares. So basically at $3.81, you set a limit order that will activate after hours, and then you can just wake up to a nice juicy $5,000 in your bank account, because this was a 25% increase. If you're trading with $20,000, this would be a $5,000 profit while you sleep. Okay, this is why the Pro Discord is so essential. It actually teaches traders how to make money in the stock market, just like me, your day trading coach, has been teaching you time and time again what habits that you need to adopt in order to be profitable in the stock market. You know that you're not profitable right now. You know, if you look at your trading account, that you haven't been making this, you haven't been making the money. So I'm here to teach you how to make that money, starting with AUGX. Now AUGX is pretty much done. After the stock short squeezed, short squeezes do not last, and so the stock started to go all the way back down, and I'm not thinking about trading AUGX anytime soon. But there are other stocks to take a look at today, and first, starting with FRC. Now FRC can be traded, but you have to be extra careful when trading this stock. Why? It's near a low, it's near 1250, it's in a downtrend. If you want to make money off of this stock, look for a consolidation around $13. You can ride it all the way back up to $13.50 or even $13.95. I would sell before it comes up to $14. All right, listen to your coach. I would sell before it comes up to $14. There is way too many giant whale of a seller right there at 14 bucks, just waiting to push the stock price back down. So if you do buy shares of FRC, look for the stock to stop going down. First of all, you don't want to buy any falling knives, and second, you'll want to trade this stock up to about 14 bucks. That's how your coach would trade this stock, and that's how you can trade this stock in order to make money off of it. But I'm not recommending that you buy FRC. I'm actually looking at a few other stocks which can short squeeze just like AUGX short squeezed today, and our other stock pick, TNYA, went up 15% from market open. That's right, we called another winner in this red market. We called TNYA at $5. The stock had a low of $5.30 and then rallied to a high of $6.25. So we were right again, folks. We are almost always right, and that's why we have so many pro members. If you are losing money right now, it's probably because you're not a pro member. If you join the pro group by clicking the Discord link down below, you are going to be so much better off than you are right now. I will help you learn positive trading habits that will allow you to print money in the stock market. Although this is not financial advice, good traders make money. You know you can make money if you have the right direction. But how are you going to get that right direction if you don't join the pro group? TNYA, amazing rally. That's money right there. We do have some other stocks to look at today. We had FRC, we went over TNYA, how that rallied. I'm not saying to buy it again, but yes, TNYA can go up even more than it is right now, and it's at about $5.80 right now. One more stock that I'm taking a look at is CNSL. CNSL currently at $3.80. If this stock stays above $3.50, then it can rally more. Although I would not say that this is my top play. I'm not going to give you my top play. My top plays are reserved for the Rocket Trader Pro students. So you better join that Discord. Click the link below if you're serious about day trading stocks. I will help you make some money, and I'll see you guys next time.
Are you still bag holding that meme stock? Waiting to break even? Have you lost too much money to sell? Stop trusting bad traders. You need Coach Koda, the essential stock trading coach. He's helped hundreds of traders just like you go from losing money in the stock market to placing successful trades. No more bag holding. If you have seen Coach's channel, you know how consistent he is at finding the rare trading opportunities before they happen. If you had Coach Koda by your side from day one, would you have lost your hard-earned money in the stock market? When you become a pro member, you get immediate access to Coach's exclusive trades every trading day. Rocket Trading Pro is so much more than trading signals. You get access to Coach's tight-knit inner circle. Imagine trading alongside a stock market genius. You will know when Coach is buying or selling a stock in his private Discord. You don't have to feel the fear and uncertainty of trading alone anymore. Coach will guide you every step of the way. While we can't promise you will make $1 million your first day, if you follow instructions, you will notice yourself winning more and more of your trades. Pro members are already earning with Rocket Trader Pro right now. Imagine yourself about to place a trade after losing $2,000 on your first trade and $4,000 on the stock Teddy Zane swore would go to the moon. A little scary, right? Now imagine Coach showing you exactly where he is buying or selling a stock while reassuring you of your probabilities of success. He has been trusted by hundreds of new and experienced traders for over 10 years, but you watch his channel. You already know how devoted Coach is to your success. How much money will you lose without your coach? You know you need this. Join now and make the greatest trade of your life.
You've worked with traders in the past who promised the world but gave you nothing. Is it time to work with someone with a consistent track record for success? You know there are cheaper trading memberships out there. But this is your money we are talking about. What is the use of paying less if you don't get the result you want?